Hey everyone, this is Billy Sullivan, and I'm doing a presentation on an alternate means of exercise for people who may just not really like exercise. And in my navigating of the internet, I came across something called mermaid swimming, which is a full body workout. Now, I kind of hesitated and was like, wait a minute, this doesn't sound right. Maybe this is a joke, but it's actually not. It's actually a really big thing in the United States and otherwise. So pretty cool. So, what is mermaid swimming? It's exactly pretty much what it sounds. You put on a mermaid tail made for swimming underwater, and then you start swimming. And there's countless YouTube videos on how to, from beginner to advanced, and actually even before that. Like, hey, you want to prepare to actually start swimming with a mermaid tail? Here's some exercises that you can do beforehand. But if you want to jump right on in, you can. There's definitely videos to help that. It's generally low cost, depending on if you choose to take classes or not. And tail costs can range from $20 to $400 or more, depending on material, design, if you get one custom made, etc. And you can usually find classes range from about $20 to $50 a session. Now, Disney does this a lot. Pre-COVID anyway, for learning how to swim like a mermaid. So that's pretty cool. So what areas will mermaid swimming target? Let's be honest, guys. This is a true, legitimate, full body exercise. It will work your core, your lungs holding your breath underwater, your cardio, arms, shoulders, back, glutes. This exercise forces you to use all of the muscles in your body, some that even regular swimming will not target or do not target as hard. It's incredible how much putting this tail on can make you exercise parts of your body that you did not even think could be worked. So, pros and cons. Pros, again, it's a whole body workout. It's super fun for nearly all ages and all genders, can be done in the safety of a pool. You don't have to pay for classes because you can find them online. There's unlimited exercise routines, or you can just flip around for fun and still get a major workout. And let's be honest, you can feel and look good while doing it. The cons, it might take a while to get comfortable with the tail, and you might feel a little bit self-conscious while learning the basics. Might feel a little odd with a tail flapping around behind you. You do need a pool membership if no access to safe water otherwise. And you must kind of be a pretty decent swimmer already before you're able to use the tail. You can't just jump in as a beginning swimmer and put this tail on and expect it to go good. Some basic barriers. Obviously, like I said, you have to already be a pretty good swimmer. The monetary value might be an off-put embarrassment on how someone may look at you. If wherever you swim won't allow the tail use, that's going to be a pretty big barrier. Safety, just safe access to water and people that will look out for you while you're utilizing this tail. With that, moving right into safety, all regular swimming safety concerns apply, and you're never supposed to utilize a tail, like I said, without somebody there to ensure your safety. Mermaid tails can sometimes reduce a child's swimming ability by 70%, so never can a child use one unsupervised. And to be honest, most recommendations say that 10 years or older for mermaid tails, unless there's an adult literally right there beside them in the water. Never use a tail in the ocean if you're not a professional with supervision, and never where there are waves. It restricts the ability to kick, so you must be proficient in floating on your back in case of cramps or tiredness, and never try to hop outside of a pool in your tail. Always remove the bottom fin before standing and moving. Trip and fall, crack your head on cement or wherever else you are. Not a good thing. I added in a link to some tail safety at the bottom. Feel free to visit that. Obviously, the fin needs maintenance. I've listed some things here for fin care that comes with it, which can be expensive if you don't take care of it, so it's very important to take care of the fin. I attached just some tails here from a place with their basic prices to give you a good idea. And if you want to learn more, here you go.